Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. In today's experiment number 11 of Electric Circuit Analysis 1 lab, we are going to verify the source transformation theorem. The objective of this lab is to verify the concept of source transformation, which you have already studied in theory. Let's have an overview of source transformation theorem. Source transformation is a tool for simplifying the circuits with multiple sources. It makes use of the fact that a voltage source can be converted to a current source and vice versa with the help of Ohm's law. Consider a circuit shown below. We have two voltage sources, Vs1 and Vs2. And we know that a voltage source with the series resistance can be converted into a current source with a parallel resistance using Ohm's law. If we are asked to calculate the voltage and current through R3 resistor, we can do it in many ways, but the application of source transformation will make the circuit very simple to solve. If we convert the voltage sources Vs1 and Vs2 to equivalent current sources, then through conversion the circuit configuration will become as shown in the figure. Now in figure 11.2, we have two current sources with parallel resistance R1 and R2 respectively. Now the two current sources can be combined to make one current source in parallel with the single element. The resulting circuit is shown in the next slide. By combining two current sources and parallel combination of R1 and R2, we have one current source, one equivalent resistance and R3 in 11.3 figure. Again, after the application of source transformation, the single current source is converted to a voltage source in figure 11.4. Now the circuit is a simple series circuit and the current through and the voltage across R3 can be calculated easily. For lab task 1, measure 3 resistors and construct a circuit as shown in the figure 11.1. These are R1, R2 and R3. Note down the values of these resistors and the applied voltage Vs1 and Vs2. Measure the current through and the voltage across R3 and note them down. Now construct a circuit as shown in the figure 11.4, which is converted circuit, with the values of the source voltage and the resistance adjusted to the calculated values of a single source and the resistance. Measure and note down the values of the current through and voltage across R3 in the circuit. Repeat the procedure for the different values of R3 and fill the table. Make the following circuit on PSpice. Apply a source transformation and measure I0 in the original and converted circuit. Thank you.